Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a little vlog. This one's very exciting to me. I've been wanting a dog for a really long time, and today finally I go to pick up, I should say, my cute little baby Yorkie. So we actually put it on hold since last week, but it wasn't ready to leave its mom yet. But today is the day and I'm super excited. I am pretty tired, so I kind of look like death. I went to the Romeo Santos concert last night and it was so fun, but I am really tired, so I'm going to go ahead and start off with making my iced coffee, and then we're going to go ahead and head out to get my puppy. For my iced coffee, I just use this Starbucks tumbler and I fill it up with ice, and then I get this from Target. It's just the blonde roast iced coffee and a little bit of the caramel macchiato creamer. So again, I just fill it up with ice, and then I fill up the tumbler with mostly all coffee to about there. And then I do add like a little splash of creamer, not too much, just to kind of sweeten it up. I don't add any other sweetener. There you go. And then I just put the top of the tumbler, sorry, it's kind of hard to do this with one hand, and put it on. And then give it a good shake. Alright guys, so right now I'm just waiting in the car ready to get my cute little baby. I'm still working on my coffee. Let me show you guys what I brought for the ride home. I brought the little baby blanket that I bought for him. It's super soft. And then a day bed. It is a larger size. He is super small. I can't wait for you guys to see him. Guys, here he is. Hi, buddy. Bye-bye. So we are here outside of PetSmart. We're going to go ahead and get him his collar, and then we're going to go home and I'll show you the rest of the things that I've already gotten him, and then we're going to get him situated. Alright guys, so we wanted to show you all the stuff we've gotten for him. Let's go ahead and start off with his collar and tag. So we just got this tag and his name is Gucci. Then I got him this collar, well, two little collars, his harness. We got him a couple of toys, so we got him this pizza that crinkles and it also squeaks. We got him this bunny, and he just crinkles, but he's super soft. He's freaking adorable. We got him this cute little one for Halloween, squeaks. And then this little rope. We got him a couple of bones that you guys saw me open when we went to PetSmart. We got him this other little bone. We got him this thing for his leash so that we can attach the little bags for his poopies. We got him this leash. Extra poopy bags. We got him some pepperoni, and then the buffalo blue puppy food, some pee pads, and then we got him this detangling set by Chi. Comes with a little detangler and then two different brushes and combs. This one's double-sided. Got him the little bed and the blanket that I showed you guys previously. We also got him this kennel. It's a little big, but we're gonna section it off to train him. Food setup, I got that little mat at Petco, and then his little bowls. Got him this playpen. Since he is so small, we don't want him to get into things, you know, simple things can be quite a danger since he's so small.
Goody, Ben, Ben, Goody. Gotcha. Oh, you want to
Bye-bye.
Oh.
Okay, say bye, Gucci.
Bye.
It's a little fun.